Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB using an ISO file with Rufus on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. It's important to let everything boot properly before starting the process, as this ensures all your system resources are ready and prevents any potential issues during the bootable USB creation. Once your PC is fully ready, navigate to your Windows desktop and open the Rufus application. If you haven't downloaded Rufus yet, you can get it from rufus.ie. After launching the app, insert your USB drive into your PC. Make sure it's at least 8 GB in size, as this is the minimum requirement for a Windows 11 bootable USB. The app will automatically detect your USB drive once it's connected, so you don't need to manually configure that part. Now look for the Boot Selection drop-down menu in the Rufus interface. Click on it and select Disk or ISO image from the available options. This tells Rufus that you'll be using an ISO file to create your bootable drive. Right next to this drop-down, you'll see a Select button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a File Explorer window where you can browse your computer's files. From this File Explorer window, navigate to the location where you saved your Windows 11 ISO file. Once you find it, click on it to select it, then click the Open button at the bottom right of the window. The ISO file will now be mounted in your Rufus app, and you'll see its name displayed in the Boot Selection field. This confirms that Rufus has successfully loaded your ISO file and is ready to create the bootable USB. At this point, you can leave the other settings as they are, since Rufus automatically configures the best options for Windows 11. However, if you'd like to personalize your USB drive, you can optionally change the volume label field and give your USB drive a custom name. This is purely for identification purposes and won't affect the functionality of your bootable drive. When you're ready, simply click the Start button at the bottom of the Rufus window. A warning may appear letting you know that all data on the USB drive will be erased. Confirm this warning if it appears, then wait for the ISO file creation process to complete. Depending on your system speed and the size of the ISO file, this can take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes. Rufus will show you a progress bar so you can monitor how far along the process is. Once it reaches 100%, your bootable USB is ready to use. And there you have it. You've successfully created a bootable USB drive using an ISO file with Rufus on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.